What's up, beautiful people? This is Stadium TV, and yes, news getting to us says that Baba Suwe Ademeru has passed away earlier today, and it's such a sad one for his family, for his fans, with his fans, and Baba Suwe was definitely a legend in the Nollywood industry. And here's a clip of him flashback to when COVID was raving the town, and he still had some fun and some fun message to pass. Check him out on Stadium TV. Don't forget to click on that red subscribe button. Thank you.
Yes, so respect. That's about Suwe.
Respect.
Yes, so alright, we'll stay safe.
Stay safe.
Yes, sir.
Stay safe.
Yes, sir.
I want to yell some